Hey everyone, so I'm going to go ahead and do a couple of Dollar Tree DIYs, and the only things that you'll need that are not at Dollar Tree are white spray paint. They have, the cheapest is at Walmart for 97 cents or 96 cents, something like that. But just white spray paint is fine. It doesn't matter if it's chalked or glossy satin or whatever. White is one of the accents in my house, so I'm trying to play off of like the ceramic look that they've had, like the Eiffel Tower, and a couple of other things, a Count Your Blessings little jar, that are white and ceramic. So I'm trying to play off of that. And the first DIY is just, you'll need a picture frame. It's the one, to me it's been really hard to find. They have white, they have black, and they have a turquoise color, but it looks like this. And I've already done the masking tape and stuff. So you just gonna cover the plastic part, which is the blue part, with the paint tape or whatever, and you're just gonna spray paint it whatever color you want. So it doesn't have to be white, like I said, but you definitely just want to spray paint that. So let's go ahead and get to that. Sorry, it's my dog. And you want to do it in light coats. Make sure you get the inside edges. And let's see. Try and flip it. And to me, this does not have to be perfect. I hope you guys can see. Yes, those are my other DIYs that we're going to do. So, but I do want to try and get as much black as I can covered. Because if it's not perfect, then it just looks like my hair. It just looks like a little rustic. So it's not a big deal. Okay, so that's one down. My next DIY is you'll need some E6000. Forgot to say that. You'll need from Dollar Tree, 2 items. So this is going to cost you about $2. Given that if you go and get the white spray paint, or they have white and black. I don't know if they have any other colors, but I know they have white and black for like 97 cents at Walmart. So it'll cost you about $2. So you'll need a candle holder, this circle one, and then you'll also need this one right here. And yes, I'm in my garage, so but anyways, so you'll do you'll put the E6000 on top of the bottom holder, the tall one, and then you'll just put this circle candle holder on top with a weight, anything that's heavy. Leave it overnight, and then you're ready to spray paint. So basically we're making like a little pedestal. Candle holder, or whatever you want to color it. Whatever you want to put on it. You can put it in your kitchen, you can put it in your bathroom, you can put it in your living room for decor with some pumpkins on there or anything like that. Got a couple of spots that are still uncovered. So these, like I said, like the other stuff, I don't really care if it's completely covered. Because it'll just look a little rustic. Alright, so that's it. You let those dry. That's 2 DIYs. And then another one that I have is this one right here that I'll show you that I already did. No painting required. Still only $2 if you just do one. If you do all 3, it'll cost you $6. So this is a tall candle holder, tea light holder with this new candle holder on top, glued with the E6000. Leave it overnight. Hey, Chihuahua! Leave it overnight, and that's it. You can spray paint the bottom, but I like the clear look. And that's what you have. So I think these look really elegant and pretty. So I may put them on my center, the center of my table for my decor for fall. So we'll see what happens with that. I have 2 more little DIYs that I'm going to do spray painting. So let me go ahead and grab one thing from inside. And these will cost you, one of them is from Dollar Tree and one of them is from Family Dollar. So let me show you this. The A is from Family Dollar, and this was $3.50. It's for the first letter of my initial, or my name. We're gonna spray paint this white, and then the second one is just this jar here from Dollar Tree. We'll take off the little sticker on the bottom and spray paint that white and put some flowers in it, and I'll show you at the end what they look like. So we'll see you once everything is dry and decorated, okay? Okay guys, so I wanted to go ahead and show you where I put a couple of things. Some of the stuff's still not dry, but let me go ahead and show you. This is my kitchen. So I went ahead and this is my coffee maker, my coffee, and went ahead and put this picture frame. See, it has a clip. Put my dog's picture on there, and just put a candle on this it's a Dollar Tree candle. It says be happy, be bright, be you. And then this is, I think, family, friends, faith, family, friends, something like that. And then with one of the pedestals, I went ahead and put my hand soap, my dish soap, and my sponge on there for the sink. So I cleared off my sink, and I think it looks nice. It's nice and tidy and everything, and it's my dog's medication. So, but that's just an idea. The area is in my bathroom. So I went ahead and put those 3 candles right there, and I got another pedestal right there with my toothbrush, my lotion, and another Dollar Tree candle, and then I have my hand soap. So, okay, so that is pretty much it for my DIYs. I hope you liked them. I hope you liked the video, I'll try and edit it as much as I can, but more than likely I'm just gonna paste all the pieces together, and we'll see if I get another video out of DIYs. There's 2 more DIYs I want to do that are Dollar Tree and only require E6000 pretty much, so we'll see about that video. Okay, thanks for subscribing, thanks for watching and commenting. I will write back to you if you comment, so thanks.